Hello everyone out there. I believe you are all doing fine. Today I want to show you how to make a better mask than this one. This one is just with this lining and the material. So this doesn't protect much, but if we don't have, this one protect better. This one is with high filtration. It's a Hoover bag, 99.99%. You see how thick it is? I'll show you this one the one that I used to sew them. You see how thick it is? You see? I could have tried with water to show you how it is, but so this one is better. This one protects much better because you can see by yourself. So if you want to use a Hoover bag, try to make sure that it's 99.99. You can't use anyhow Hoover bag to sew this. So let's get started. We are going to cut the material. Here and here I'll make it 8 because of the allowance. So I'll use it. Here will be 11. So I'll see if I can cut this 11. Yeah. And here. So we'll see if the length is okay. No. Here. It's 11. Okay. The length will be okay. So I will even come down because it's too 7. 7 plus. I'll make it 8.5. Because of the allowance. And here 12 because of the allowance too. So I'm going to cut it. So here. So now I have to straight here the down. I would like it a bit big so I can fold it well. now I'm going to the machine to stitches to start to sew. I'm stitching it. I'll sew it all around. To make it flat, you cut a little bit like this, you know, that it will sit flat. So you cut to the end. You cut all to the end so that it will sit flat. So now I'm going to iron it. Now I've finished to sew the marks and I've ironed it. So I'm going to fold it like this. Let me just show you. I'll put a pin here. The first one is big, so I'll reduce it a bit. One here. This one is big, so I'll adjust it a bit. So it will be like this. And I'll add my elastic at the edges. I'll fold it and add elastic at the edges. So it's almost done. I'm going to sew it stitches with the machine. So now I'm sewing it. So now it's finished. I've finished it. So thank you for watching and thank you for your support. You can share this video with friends and family. Please, if you like this video, thumbs up please. Thank you for watching. Bye.